Geographical center of the lower 48 states. The position is located in a 1918 survey is located about 2.6 miles northwest of the center of Lebanon, Kansas, approximately 12 miles south of the Kansas-Nebraska border. Probably used to be a motel behind it. It's a tiny chapel.
They're like us, kind of. But they're out of New Zealand. I just went to their Facebook page.
That's cool.
Yeah.
While any measurement of the exact center of a landmass will always be imprecise due to changing shorelines and other factors, the NGS coordinates are recognized in a historical marker in a small park at the intersection of AA Road and K191. It is accessible by a turnoff from the U.S. Route 281. Located by Lieutenant Hagedorn of Paulette and Wilson Engineers and L.A. Beardsley County Engineer from data furnished by U.S. Coast and Geodetic Survey, sponsored by Lebanon Hub Club, April 25, 1940. In 1918, the Coast and Geodetic Survey found this location by balancing on a point a cardboard cutout shaped like the U.S. This method was accurate to within 20 miles, but while the Geodetic Survey no longer endorses any location as the center of the U.S., the identification of Lebanon, Kansas has remained.